now we have Spalding and Wilson. It's perfect.
Another one. Another one.
The only reservation that I have is...
Another one.
Oh, my throat's really itchy. Oh, that's crazy. How long? Oh no. I'm really sneezing. Ugh. Ugh. Was that 8 sneeze? I think I'm okay. What the hell? Air purifier might help. So true, I have air purifiers in almost every other room in my home. Not in the studio. I mean, it smells nice in here. Because I have a little scent diffuser. I've always had it though, so it can't be that. You've collected all 8 sneezes. You can go fight the Elite Four. That was crazy. I think that's a record for how many sneezes in a row. Ah, itchy throat too. Drink water. Definitely a record for me. I don't know about all HoloLive time, but definitely my record.